Okay. Hey Samaya, so we're here today at the Lab 805 and I really like this mural because it has so many little details to each part of their design. Right here it represents like the Aztec calendar but in their own little way. They incorporate graffiti art, hip hop, and dance. And then a lot of people grew up here and they stayed into their community to give back, and there are more paintings inside that we can check out, and you can also check out their Instagram, the Lab 805. Thank you for coming with us to visit the Lab 805 in Saracoy, and I want to give a shout out to Leo and Juan for pushing through for over decades and making sure that the lab is being noticed.
Thank you for tuning in. Go check out our other radical walking tours. Also give this a like, comment down below, and also subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.